If you'd like to know my favorite remedy for detoxifying and revitalizing fussy and frustrated curls, stay tuned. Today we're going to be working with Aztec Indian healing clay just to give my hair a little bit of extra oomph that it's been lacking. So the ratio that I prefer is 3 parts water and 1 part apple cider vinegar to help dilute and cut some of the acidity. You can also do equal parts, that would be your call. So of course the next step would be adding in your healing clay. So I do in increments just until I get the consistency that I desire. If you prefer to add your clay first and then your liquid, that's totally acceptable as well. Another thing to be noted is that on the jar it says to not mix your mask in a metal bowl, and the reason behind that is that it's going to lose its negative charge and it won't be as useful. This has since been debunked, but listen, I'm gonna do what the jar says and I'm not gonna take no chances. So you're just gonna mix until you have a nice thick creamy consistency, something like this. So because this mask can be on the drier side, I decided to shampoo my hair first using a moisture enriching shampoo. So I'm going to be using Camille Rose's Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. So the key ingredients are castor oil, which helps to improve growth, aniseed oil, which helps to strengthen, and ginger, which restores moisture. If you saw my wash day routine, I use this shampoo as well, and it has a lot more information about the products and ingredients, and I will be sure to link that down in the description box below. I also detangled my hair in the shower, and these are my curls prior to the treatment. So there's literally no right or wrong way to apply the mask. The main thing is you just want to make sure that you're coating each and every strand. I do it kind of like a relaxer application. I start mid-shaft, working my way down to the ends, making sure I get those roots. And this is what it should look like once applied. So while I finish up the application process, let's jump into the benefits of using the clay mask. So first and foremost, it's highly absorbent, which means it removes excess oil, product buildup, and gunk. It also helps to prevent against fungal and bacterial growth. It's anti-inflammatory, so that means it helps with dandruff and scalp health. It clarifies and exfoliates the scalp, and it helps with curl definition. So the benefit of using apple cider vinegar with your mask is it helps to increase blood circulation. It helps to close the cuticle, which in turn smooths the hair, reduces frizz, and helps with detangling. And we obviously know that water is the #1 carrier of moisture. It helps to promote a clean scalp and healthy hair. So I'm going to add a plastic cap just to help with the processing, and then I'm going to rinse out in lukewarm water. And then I'm going to go on with Curl's Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. It includes blueberry extract, which helps with growth, aloe leaf juice, which helps to reduce dandruff and keep a healthy scalp, and chamomile, which helps with shine and luster. So we're back, and it's finally time for the big reveal. So I left the clay mask on for about 30 minutes. Because the Amazon clay mask can be a little bit drying, I did add a bit of conditioner, not too much, and I only left it on for a minute. You guys saw this in my wash day routine. It's a favorite, it's a staple. Let's get into these results. It'll be my first time seeing them with you because after I rinsed the conditioner off, I literally put my cap on and showered myself, got dressed, and now we're back. So I'm excited. Ooh. Okay. Not mad at it. Even like this, that definition back into it, yeah, I'm not mad. And for the most part, my curls do what they need to do. I just really wanted to give it that detox. I really wanted to mainly bring the springiness back to the front of my hair because I feel like it was losing elasticity from styling and things like that. I do it maybe once or twice a year. For the most part, I just deep condition. I do Afro G once. I rotate between this and Afro G. The only thing about Afro G is it's a protein treatment. So you don't want to do protein overload in your hair because that can also make your hair on the limper side and on the drier side. If you like this video and you'd like me to try some more treatments and conditioners and things like that just to show you how I maintain my hair throughout the year, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. I will maybe come back and do an Afro G treatment. It smells like eggs. But if that's what the people want to see, then that's what the people are going to see. If you found this video helpful, be sure to thumbs it up. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to do so now. Make sure you cut those notifications on, and God willing, I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. I wish you a prosperous, a healthy, a blessed, a successful, all the good stuff. I want all the good stuff to happen for y'all in 2020, because y'all have been wonderful, wonderful, wonderful to me, and I'm sure wonderful to the people around you, because if you kind to a stranger on the internet, I hope y'all are nice to your families the same way. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, God willing, I will see you in my next video. Bye. So we're back. Oh, something in my eye, damn. It was the Curls Blueberry Mist. Blueberry Mist, Lord Jesus. Okay. Series of how I treat and it's 1 a.m. I'm so tired, but I can't even get it out. Okay. It's done. Now who's supposed to clean all this stuff out?